So out of the box, you will get the machine, sprayer, the lid, the strainer, the spare parts kit, the petrol mixing bottle, belt, hygiene gun, 3 nozzle lamps and hose pipe. Now we have to remember, once you're going to pour the water into the tank, always use the strainer and then you pour the water. Our Fujika Shakti comes with a fully brass pump with an average weight of 1200 grams, and it comes with a pressure gauge as well. And you will see our logo engraved on the pump for its genuinity. Now we're going to show how to fix this belt with this buckle. Now this kind of belt applies for all our products like Fujika Duo, Eco and other power sprays. Secure the knot properly. Then we'll pump this carburetor. Now we'll see that the petrol has started flowing inside the carburetor. Now we'll choke the carburetor. We have kept the accelerator at a medium level and we are going to pull the starter. So now we are going to show you how to attach the adjustable hygiene gun with the pump. First, you take the hose and you connect to the outlet of the pump. That's it. And you now connect the hose pipe with the hygiene gun. So, things to remember for operating this hygiene gun is that you should secure this nut tightly with the handle, regulator handle, and once you release or loosen the handle, you get a hygiene spring, and once you bring it closer to the connector, you get a fine spray. That's it. Now we're going to show you how to use this 3 nozzle lance. You will see that there is this red handle in the spare parts packet. There's control knob and some spare washer. First, we'll connect this washer to the handle. Then we'll fix the control knob. Then we'll put another washer on top of the control knob and we'll fix the extension rod first, then we'll fix the 3 nozzle lines. Now this extension rod is optional. You may or may not use this extension rod. Now you have to connect the hose pipe at the end of this handle. Now to start the flow of this water, you have to switch it on and off. So after you have fixed the spring, always remember to drain out the petrol from the petrol tank and from the carburetor. So like once you have drained out the petrol from the petrol tank, pump in the balloon at the lower juncture of the carburetor. You will see that whatever residual petrol is there, it will come back to the petrol and you can fill it out. Now after every use, so like you have to fill in the tank with clean water and spray with it, and like whatever residue is there inside the tank, take it out from this outlet cap. And for the maintenance of the pump, there are two grease caps. So once you open it, you will see that there is grease inside it. Once it gets reduced after like 50 hours or so operation, you can fill it up with a good quality of grease. And also there is a mobile chamber at the back of the pump that you need to replace after about 50 to 80 hours of operation.